Navaro Collagen Peptides are marketed as a supplement that supposedly tightens skin, reduces wrinkles, restores youthful appearance, and delivers dramatic beauty results from the inside out. But the real question is, should you trust those claims? Now, to be fair, collagen is a real protein found naturally in the body, and collagen supplements have been studied for potential skin-related benefits. What it does well: may support skin hydration. Some studies suggest collagen supplementation may help with skin moisture. Convenient to add into a routine. Powders can be mixed into drinks and taken daily. Where the hype falls apart: it is not a DIY facelift. This is the biggest issue. Collagen supplements cannot suddenly tighten skin like cosmetic procedures. Results are usually gradual and modest. Any noticeable changes often take time and may be subtle. Many factors affect skin appearance. Sleep, nutrition, sun exposure, and genetics all play major roles. So, should you trust the DIY facelift claims? Short answer: no. Collagen may offer some support for skin health, but expecting dramatic age-reversing results from a supplement alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.